Hey guys, okay, let's jump right into it. So I'm filling in or outlining my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the color Ebony. And I'm also using a Sephora Brow Precision Pro brush. I think, but I'm gonna put it in the description. So with my brows, I usually tend to make fast strokes when I'm outlining. It just makes the precision a lot sharper. And then that'll make it a lot easier to clean it up with the concealer too. And right now I'm just making hair-like strokes in the front of my brows, and then I'm gonna brush up with the spoolie end. So now I'm just starting on the other brow, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, and of course you also want to fill in the brows. Duh, I didn't mention that before, but I tend to start at the tail of the brow and then work my way towards the front, leaving a lot more less product in the front so it has that ombre effect. But anyway, what's been going on, guys? I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. Like, leave me a comment. Leave me some feedback. I want to hear from you guys. Like, come on now. Okay, so while I wait for y'all to comment, I'm just cleaning up these brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Okay, if you're an OG, you know I always use this concealer. It's my favorite. It's my go-to. It's like the best cheap concealer. And I'm also using a flat concealer brush from Crown. I'm not sure like the exact number, but I'll put it in the description. Okay. And again, with the concealer, you want to make fast motions. Like, that's just the whole key to brows. You want to make fast motions. It's just like drawing with a pencil, basically. The faster you go, the more sharper it'll look to me. And yeah. And then after this, you already know the next step. We're going to blend, okay? Well, blendy, fluffy brush, whatever you can find. It ain't even got to be a real blending brush. Just some type of small blending brush just to smooth out that concealer. Okay, now blend it in. And blend it in. Ooh, in. Now blend it in. Yeah. Now blend it in. Yeah. Guys, bro, I ain't got no sense, but yeah, that's the finished product, guys. Then after that, you just do the rest of your face. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.